guys, I know I haven't posted a long time, so I want to show you what just happened. Zed offended me. Zed offended. Zed offended me. Already a fan. Go on your giveaways. I guess that's all, guys. Bye. Sorry for the wait. Wait. No, I think